Hello, everybody, and I first want to say congratulations on your investment and making the steps to enhancing your website. This is such a powerful tool for service-based businesses or really any business, just getting your website clean and professional and just attracting all the right people. So I just first wanted to say that. Now let's get into editing your Autumn website. So when you add the site to your Showit account, you will be brought to this page where it will have all of your pages over here on the left. You will have your home, about, services, coaching, which is really just a service specific page, your reviews, FAQs, terms, and contact. And we are going to dive into all of this to make sure that you know how to edit your site. So to start, I wanted to go over your site canvases. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out the Showit's beginner tutorial that I created. That's going to really show you around the platform. And so you can learn where everything is in terms of the site settings, design settings, and really helping you navigate this platform. I'm not going to go into the details within this site. I'm really just going to get to editing the Autumn site. So from the left side here, you're going to have all of your pages here listed out. You're going to have your blog templates, and then you're going to have your site canvases. Now, your site canvases are going to be what is applied to multiple different pages within your site. So to start, I wanted to, I'm going to move this guy up here. So take a look at the logo. So right now I have the logo set up just as text, but this is where you're going to go ahead and upload your own branding and your logo. So you would just, if you have a PNG or a SVG file, don't recommend a JPEG because it's going to have a white background. But if you have your logo file, you would just come in the media library, upload that file, and bring it into this logo canvas. So I have that specifically named logo. And what I would recommend you do is be sure that your logo has a click action to a page and have that click back to home. People are used to clicking on the logo to get back to your home page. So I definitely recommend that you add that click action to your logo that you upload. So, and be sure to delete all of this stuff here so you don't see the original design there. Next, here is your desktop menu. So this is where you're going to go and update all your navigation items to whatever you need it to be, whatever pages you're creating. Just go in here and update the text and be sure to update the click action for where you want it to go. And you can rename those pages over here. So obviously I have them named according to what I have in the navigation, but come up here and you can rename, let's say you don't do coaching, but you do some other service. Come in here, click rename, and name it that service. Let's keep going down the site canvases here because this is going to affect your whole site. So I wanted to just make sure that you can update these first. Here is your mobile menu. I'm going to show it to you on a page so you can see. So here is the mobile menu, and I have that up at the top, and you will see on all of my pages. When you click on page, you can see it up at the top here. So that is going to live on all of the pages. But to edit that at all, you would just come over here and click mobile menu closed, and you can change this if you wanted this to say, I don't know what you would want it to say. I would just keep it menu. Really, if you want to keep it, just don't touch it. And then here we have the mobile menu open. So this is what it's going to look like when someone has opened the menu on your mobile device. So you really want to make sure that you are using your space wisely on mobile because it's a smaller space. So that's why I have the menu closed on mobile. And this is where you're going to want to come and update those navigation items if you've updated them on your desktop. Let's just do two. If you've updated them on your desktop, you definitely want to come over here to your mobile menu, open, and edit those. This is also where you're going to want to put in your social media information here. So you can, if you want to just have Instagram and Pinterest, you can get rid of Facebook. You can also come in here and click other social media icons too. If you have a TikTok or you have a YouTube channel, LinkedIn, you can add in different social media channels, and then just be sure to edit the click actions with the URL that points them to your social media page. Last, we have the email sign up, or second to last, we have the email sign up. This is on a few of the pages. This is where you're going to come and edit that if you wanted to. And then we also have the footer down here where, again, you want to update these navigation items if you're changing them. This is where I've brought in some imagery from you can bring in your images from Instagram. If you wanted them to continually update based on your current posts, you will need to use a widget such as Snap Widget. That's what I use. I can create another tutorial for that, but for now, these are just images that I brought in here, and that's something you can do. You can pull in some of your favorite posts and add those here in the footer, and then you can have this link out to a URL. So just go ahead and paste your Instagram URL here. And I would actually just have that open on another page because you want people to still come back to your site. Yeah, so those are the site canvases that you can edit to be sure that they align with your pages, and those will change on all of the pages that they are on. So I've put them on all those pages. Every page has a footer and the desktop menu and the logo. So that will be applied to all of the pages so you don't have to go through individually and change them. Okay, so that is just a breakdown of how you edit your site canvases. So that is a really important part of your site, and you definitely want to go in here and edit based on the pages that you have and your social media icons and stuff like that, but that's just gonna apply to all the pages, so that is a really good thing to know. Next, we're gonna dive into how to edit your homepage.